I believe you were teaching the birds a lesson.
Alright, to fly, lift your arm. No, you're doing it wrong. Alright, lift your arm. Why, sweetie? No one's got it? Alright, your turn. Come on, don't be a dick.
Look at that. What do I do? I don't know what he's talking about.
Alright, that one's got it. Your turn.
You want got a chip, bro?
I'm going to give this one a little bit.
Oh,
Here
Churgy.
you go, mate. Confident. Oh, that's unlucky. It's nothing.
Well, that's awkward. You're supposed to be a teacher, and I was left you.
Alright, everybody, come back.
Back in, boys. Come on. Have your lunch break.
This is how you do stupid things.
Righto, G. Look, they're all just so interested in learning. Like, hey guys, what are you going to learn about today?
They're like, I wonder what this is. Oh, damn it, no one cares. Look, they all still take notes. Like, look at them. They're all still like, this should be interesting. I'm going to look out of the corner of my eye. Wait, are you looking at me? I'm not looking at you.
I bet they're playing a game of chicken. Like, I mean, I can get closest to the human. Look, I'm closer, faggot. Come on.
If one comes at me, I'm going
to... Look, they're all... This is our little class, look.
Hello! Hello! Today, you guys are going to use an intervention.
Call of Duty?
Call of Duty. Hello! There's always one with a missing leg. That one.
They're so interesting.
See how that one's got
wonderful
like a burnt leg? It looks sort of burnt.
Maybe he just left on the barbecue for too long.
See it though?
Yeah.
It's not like a formed properly one.
Look, their legs are so weird. Like,
cute.
They're so weird. They're like fluoro. Why don't we get fluoro body parts? Jokes, I have fluoro boobs. Oh, damn it. Goodbye, Coca-Cola bottle.
Hello.
We may have made a disturbance in the force.
Oh, gee. No, this so funny.
That's our new friend. I don't know what's no more. Seagulls. Hello.